Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
So,
morning, ma'am.
yeah, one by one, I will start with you all with your performance. As you all know, that today we are going to celebrate the Independence Day with your performance. Yesterday, we had a virtual celebration, right, with the flag hosting, and today we are celebrating with your performance. So, Yuk Surana, yes, can you please start?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Today I will recite a short poem on our national flag, Tiranga. Three colors in the Indian flag. Three colors in the Indian flag. Saffron, white, and green. Saffron, white, and green. I would like to tell you, I would like to tell you to me what they mean. To me, what they mean. Saffron is for courage, for people strong and brave. White is for purity, for peace which we crave. Green is for prosperity, for my country to grow, to be ahead of others, and never to be slow. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. It was very nice. Okay. So now we move to the Dhir Patel. Dhir Patel, any performance?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please start.
Good morning, my dear friends and teachers. Today I'm gonna say some nice about Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was well known as Netaji. He was born on 23rd of July 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. He did his graduation in 1919. His father, Janakinath, was a lawyer. His mother, Pragua Devi, was a religious lady. Then he went to England. Then he passed Indian Civil Service exam. But he returned to India to serve motherland. Unfortunately, he was died in a plane crash. He was the he was the president of India National Congress. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. Can everyone clap for Dhir? Very nice. Now we move to Heer Patel. Heer Patel, are you going to perform something?
I am going to tell a speech.
Speech. Okay.
Good morning, everyone, my dear teachers and my friends. Today I will tell you about our national flag. The national flag of India is the symbol of freedom and unity of the country. It is rectangular in shape. It is also called a striker or tiranga, as it has three colors. The topmost color is saffron, the white is in the middle, lowermost color is the green. The saffron color symbol is courage and sacrifice. White symbol is peace and truth, while the green symbolizes faith and chivalry. It has an Ashoka Chakra in the middle, in center, with 24 spokes. The national flag is hoisted on occasions like Independence Day and Republic Day. It is made up of khadi cloth. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Heer.
Ma'am,
Very
there
nice.
is no class.
Today we have celebration, bacha.
Okay,
Ansel.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And next time I will. Next time.
Just a minute, students. Yes, now we move to Ahana. Ahana, please perform.
Ma'am, I will show the drawing.
Okay, very nice. Let me wait. Let me click your picture. Wait a minute.
I can see.
Wait a minute. Thank you. Thank you, Ahana.
Thank
This
you.
is done by you.
Yes, ma'am. All.
Very nice. Next performance.
Comment.
Hansil, mute your
Also
mic.
mute your mic. No, I can. One.
No,
No,
I
I
want
am.
Kush Desai. Yes, Kush.
Okay, ma'am. I am going to speak a speech. I in Hindi. Is it okay?
Yeah, okay.
मेरा नाम कुश देसाई, कक्षा चौथी ए का छात्र। आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देते हुए अपने कुछ विचार बताना चाहता हूँ। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, भारत को आज़ादी रातों रात नहीं मिली। इस आज़ादी को प्राप्त करने के लिए भारत के वीर सपूतों और नेताओं ने अपनी प्राणों की आहुति दी है। और इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं अपने कई वीर सपूतों और नेताओं की श्रद्धांजलि देकर नमन करता हूँ। हम इस दिन इसलिए मनाते हैं क्योंकि 15 अगस्त सन 1947 को
I
भारत में
re-
पहली
wait.
ओके।
Wait a minute, Kush. I request everyone to turn on the camera. Navya, Varinya, Kavisha, Rishik, Dirk. Please turn on your camera. The Rishik, please turn on your camera.
मैम कैन आई स्टार्ट?
Yes, Kush.
सन 19 हम इस दिन इसलिए मनाते हैं क्योंकि 15 अगस्त सन 1947 को भारत ने पहली बार अपनी आज़ादी की प्राप्ति की थी। इसी दिन भारत के प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने लाल किले पर तिरंगा फहराया था। और भारत को आज़ाद हुए 75 वर्ष हो चुके हैं। और आज भी भारत के प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर तिरंगा फहराते हैं और सभी देशवासियों को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देते हैं। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम। थैंक यू।
Very nice. Can everyone say together Jai Hind with Kush?
जय
Jai
हिंद।
Hind.
Jai Hind.
जय भारत।
Very good. Okay, now we move to Laisha. Yes, Laisha.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to show you a drawing. And can you see?
Yes, just a minute. Let me pin you. Can you speak something on this? What you have prepared?
This is a school, which is this. You can see a sir is that hosting the flag, and the children are sing our national anthem, and these are the rockets with our colors saffron, white, and green.
Very nice. Okay. Next. Done, Laisha? Anything else you want to say something?
No, just I was saying this only.
Okay. Now we move to Hit Kasoria. Yes, Hit. Hit is not at his place. Yes, Hit. Are you ready? What are you going to perform?
Ma'am, speech.
Okay.
Good morning to all my teachers and dear friends. I am here in 4th class. Today we are get here to celebrate our Independence Day. Independence means the country of begins free and not controlled by another person. Our country, India, got independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. We got independence with the help of many national leaders Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. On this day, our, our government building is decorated with three colors are orange, white and green like the national flag. I love my India. East or west, India is the best.
Yes, very true. East or west, India is the best. Okay. Now we move to Deep Patel. Yes, Deep Patel.
Ma'am, I am going to show the drawing.
Okay. And you need to explain also. Please explain your drawing. Deep, please explain your drawing, bacha.
Ma'am, Gandhi Bapu is going from the flag.
Very nice. Thank you. Now we move to Meet Prohit.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Next, I will tell to the student they should be ready with that performance.
Yes, ma'am. I am.
Wait, after Meet, I will take Bhakti. Are you going to perform?
Yes, ma'am.
After Meet, Bhakti, Janya. After
Ma'am,
Meet, Bhakti, Janya, and Varinya. Be ready. Varinya, Varija, you both are doing together? No. So after Meet, Bhakti, Janya, and Varinya, be ready.
ma'am, my turn.
Yeah, please start Meet.
Independence Day is one of the honorable celebration of the nation. All Indians feel the pride of celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. India got freedom from the British ruling in 1947. From then, our nation is celebrating Independence Day 2021. Thank you. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Very nice Meet. Next, Bhakti.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Bhakti, and today I am going to talk about Independence Day. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. India became independent on this day. We host national flag on this day. Everybody sings the national anthem. This is the 75th Independence Day. It is celebrated with full of joy. Let's be proud of Indians. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Very nice, Bhakti. Next, now we move to Janya. Janya, first stand straight so that I can click your nice picture.
Good morning,
Wait, Janya. Janya, hold flag also in your hand.
Right.
Yes, start speaking.
Good morning, everyone. Today we all here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. We all feel really proud to be an Indian. Today we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day of our country. All three nations across the world has their flag form an important symbol for the country. The Indian flag has paramount significance. It symbolizes freedom, patriotism, and a sense of unity among the people, despite the diversity in its culture and religion. It is a tricolor flag and each color has its significance. It was made based on the sun. Each color has significance. It forms a fundamental part of Republican India and denotes a sign of sovereignty and of harmony and is respected by every Indian citizen. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thank you everyone to listening my speech.
Jai Hind. Yes, very nice, Jania, and very nice dress up. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, next we go to Varinya. Yes, Varinya. Wait, Varinya, before you start, mute yourself, Varinya. Next, I will take Meer Virani. Next, I will take me after Meer Virani Kiana, and then Arav
Ma'am,
Desai,
just 1 minute, okay?
and then Arav Arnav Desai. So Meer Virani, Kiana, and Arnav Desai, be ready after Varinya. Yes, Varinya.
नमस्ते, मैं वरेण्या कक्षा 4 की छात्रा हूँ। मैं आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देते हुए अपने कुछ विचार आपके साथ बांटना चाहती हूँ। जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि जिस सवेरे हम यहाँ देख रहे हैं, वो आजादी हमें रातों रात नहीं मिली। इस आजादी के लिए भारत के कई वीर सुपुत्रों ने अपने प्राणों की आहुतियां दी है। स्वतंत्रता दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर मैं उन सभी वीर सुपुत्रों को श्रद्धांजलि देते हुए नमन करती हूँ। 15 अगस्त यानी स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में हम मनाते आए हैं। जैसा कि क्योंकि 15 अगस्त सन 1947 को भारत ने आजादी की पहली सुबह देखी थी। थैंक यू।
Varinya. Khush Desai, turn on your camera, please. Rishik Bajaj,
Renu
turn on
ma'am?
your camera, please. Yes,
Renu ma'am, we got our freedom in 1945.
1947.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am, 1940.
Yes, Meer Virani. Be ready.
ma'am, only 2 minutes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
One thing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, Khush Desai means we said the same
Same
speech.
speech. Hmm.
Actually, ma'am, I didn't know that Khush was telling
It's
this speech.
okay. It's okay. See, what is the thing
I'm
is,
really sorry,
you
ma'am.
have said in the different way. He said in the different way. It's his performance. That is your performance, right?
Yes,
So it
ma'am.
is okay if the speech is same.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
the way of dictating is different, as
Okay.
the different person are saying, right? Meer Virani, are you ready? Okay, by the time Meer Virani gets ready, Kiana, can you perform?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, respected.
Kiana, can you please sit properly so that I can click your nice picture? Your dress up and everything should be visible to me properly.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, my respected teachers and my friends. Today, my name is Kiana Patel. Today, I am going to tell a slogan on Independence Day. Others might have forgotten, but never can I. May the tricolors of our country falls very high. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Kiana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arnav Desai, are you ready?
Only 2 minutes.
Meer Virani, I will come back to you later. First, let me Arnav perform. Before Wait, Arnav. I want to click your picture.
Yes.
Stand there. Back. Yes.
Walking करवाना.
Hello, ma'am. Now.
Excellent performance. Can everyone clap on Arnav Desai? Very nice. Very nice, Arnav Desai.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, now I can perform.
Yeah. Now, wait. Arnav Desai. Yes. Before I go to Mir Virani, so I want to announce few names. They should be ready, please, with their performance. Is Hansel there in the class? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hansel, be ready. Then Rishik Bajaj, be ready. Then Kavisha, be ready. Okay. After Mir Virani, Rishik. Oh, sorry. After Mir Virani, Hansel, Rishik, and Kavisha, be ready for your performance.
Ma'am, when will I say?
Sorry, yes, Varija also there. So Hansel, Rishik, Kavisha, Varija, be ready
Ma'am,
for your performance.
Ma'am, I'm not prepared.
Not prepared. Okay. Nothing. Trishik.
No.
Ma'am, so
No, ma'am.
Okay. So Mir Virani, are you ready?
yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Let me pin you.
Ma'am, 1 minute, okay?
Yeah. Your camera is blur, bacha, and nothing audible to us.
What, ma'am? What, ma'am?
Mir, your camera is blurred and you're not audible. Whichever the mic or something you have put it, the song is not audible to us.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Can I move to other child by the time? Hansel, yes, please you start. Hansel,
Hello, hello friends and hello ma'am. Christians of India come together on 15th August every year to claim the Independence Day. It is a day that holds a lot of importance and pride for all the country. Thank you.
thank you, very nice. Thank you,
Yes.
Hansel. Yes, Kavisha, are you ready? Kavisha is there in the class.
Ma'am, now I am ready.
Okay, Mir Virani, you are ready,
Yes, ma'am.
but
Ma'am, I am telling you now it is audible 1 minute.
nothing is visible. It's black, coming black.
Ma'am, it is audible.
It is audible, but your screen is coming black.
I am only telling you now it
Yeah,
will.
yes. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
First, stand at one place. I want to click your picture.
Yes, ma'am. I am.
Mir, your song is not audible to us. Mir, your song is not audible to us, bacha. Nothing audible. No problem. You take your time, Mir Virani. Be ready. By the time I'll give chance to other child. Yes, Varija. Varija, whole flag and
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Varinya, you also come at your place, bacha. Varinya, come back to your place.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम वारिजा
Wait,
मेहता है।
wait, wait,
मैं
wait,
कक्षा
wait,
4 की
wait,
छात्रा हूँ।
wait,
यह पुस्तक
Varija.
मेरे
Varija, wait,
आदरणीय
bacha.
शिक्षकगण तथा मेरे प्यारे सहपाठियों।
Varija, are you listening me? Wait, bacha. Whole flag also in your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
You are having a flag, no, with you. Am I not? I'm not audible to you.
No, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
ma'am, I can hear you.
Yeah. Now take flag in your hand. You were having a flag also, no?
Ma'am, she will just she is going to sing a song. So,
No
ma'am,
problem.
in the last, she will just.
Okay. Okay.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम वारिजा मेहता है। मैं कक्षा 4 की छात्रा हूँ। यहाँ उपस्थित मेरे आदरणीय शिक्षकगण तथा मेरे प्यारे सहपाठियों, आज मैं आज मैं आप सभी को 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। इस पावन अवसर पर मैं मेरे देश के बारे में जो विचार रखती हूँ उसको एक गीत के द्वारा उपस्थित करूंगी, जो इस प्रकार है। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा मन मेरा तन। ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति प्यार का चमन। थैंक यू। जय हिंद जय भारत।
Thank you. Thank you, Varija. Yes, Mir Virani, are you ready?
No, ma'am.
Still not ready? Okay. Take your time. Okay. Kavisha, are you there? Kavisha? Kavisha, you're there? Okay. By the time Mir Virani gets ready, anyone wants to show us something special on Independence Day? If you are ready, students, if you all are ready for any performance, anything special you want to show us. Mir, are you ready, bacha? No? You
Ma'am, it is audible.
see, one thing I will do, I will play a song for you. You give me the link of the song. I will play here and you can dance. You want to give me the link?
Ma'am, I don't know how to.
Uh, will you give me the name of the song?
Ma'am, I can say how to post the link. Ma'am,
Yeah.
1 minute I am doing.
You tell me the song. It's a one song only. There are multiple songs.
Ma'am, I will tell. I am just.
Okay, okay. So, meantime, anyone wants to perform something special? Anything else? Yes, Varinya?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Varinya, please speak.
Ma'am, actually, when Kush said that, I just got blank. I don't know what to do and nothing, so I forgot my script.
No problem.
I'm really sorry for
But
that.
you had performed very well, bacha.
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
nicely performed. Yuk Surana want to show us something nice. Thank you. I am waiting for Kavisha to perform something. She has not joined yet. Okay. Anyone else? Yes.
Ma'am, I yesterday.
Yes, yesterday what?
Ma'am, yesterday I will not. I don't join the class because on my office also there was flag hosting, and on same time our class is there, so it's okay, no?
Yeah, it's okay.
Ma'am, tomorrow I was not joined because in my building there was a function on 9 o'clock.
That was yesterday, not tomorrow.
Yes.
It was yesterday. So we will see the Me's performance, and then I will show you those who have not joined. Those who have not joined the yesterday's class, I will show them the performance. What the flag hosting has done, no, yesterday. First,
Thank you, ma'am.
first
Nice.
let me.
Ma'am, Mir is done.
On Kerala.
Yes, 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 Mir, perform.
Ma'am, you can listen that.
Yes, yes, yes. Very nice, Mir Virani.
Ma'am, I
Fine.
know which song Mir is performing.
Hmm. Mir, very nice.
But
Good.
ma'am, we have not heard the song also.
But the performance was very nice because maybe some
Performance was
technique.
also
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
can say, ma'am, it's
Yeah.
ABCD song.
Yes. Okay. Anyone else wants to show us something? No? Yes or no, students? So, children, listen now. Your classes are going to be started from 11 o'clock. From 11 o'clock, you have your continue classes according to your timetable. 11 o'clock to 12:30, you have your continue classes. Got it, everyone? As you all know that yesterday I posted in the classroom also that from 11 o'clock till 12:30 you have your regular time according to the timetable. You have your classes. So join your classes according to the
Ma'am,
timetable.
on 11 o'clock or on 10:15?
No, from 11 o'clock now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I will show you the performance we have done yesterday. Those who have not joined yesterday's class, I'm going to present them again.
Ma'am, now you will show that flag hosting.
No.
But ma'am, yesterday I saw that the flag hosting was already done.
Already
So
done. Yes.
because I
Already
thought
done.
that you will do that one, so which our school will show us like this. So I thought that the yesterday will be so fun.
Mm. No, it was done. It was not recorded in the link. It was done before, and then after that, sir has given the speech. Okay. Is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, sound is not coming.
Ma'am, we
Yes, ma'am.
can't hear anything.
Ma'am,
Okay.
your presentation sound is muted.
Okay. Let me check. Now is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Future. And this future is not just another future like the previous years when people have spoken about. So just don't take this 75th Independence Day as something which is another day when we sing some songs and hoist the flag and enjoy ourselves and say that all our leaders did were great. Yes, certainly we remember all our great leaders who were responsible for our freedom, who have given their lives for this freedom, and who have put this great country together. I say put this great country together because India was, as you know from your history books,
Ma'am, please
just a
can
Ma'am,
you
few
it's
move?
going.
small kingdoms. And putting all these together itself was a great job by our forefathers and leaders, earlier leaders. But you are going to take this country forward. In the next 25 years, I would like to see the children from Tati Valley School lead this country into the future, and this is our ambition. We would like to groom good leaders who will take this country forward, an inclusive country, a really mighty kingdom, which used to be there earlier. The Indian subcontinent was, if you remember history, was one of the greatest parts of the world. We have a rich civilization, and we are coming back to the limelight under the leadership of our Prime Minister and all the other leaders. And you, my dear children, I would like to see every one of you as great leaders in different fields, taking this country into that glorious future that we all, our ancestors, dreamt of. And this is going to happen, and I see it happening every day. I see a lot of things happening, but in the meanwhile, please do take care. We are all worried about all of you until you all get vaccinated, and then things should be better. Things are still not yet okay. If you have heard the president of the country last evening, he was again warning us all about that. So please take care, stay safe, enjoy your Independence Day, and think about what good citizens you should be making in the coming years. We should be great citizens, not just great citizens for this country, great leaders for this country. I hope that all that I've spoken of now comes true. Thank you so much. Wish you again a wonderful Independence Day. This 75th Independence Day, it's a special Independence Day. Though we are all not able to be here together in school, probably the next Independence Day we'll talk more about this. But until then, take care and Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। पूरे विद्यालय विद्यार्थी परिषद की ओर से हम सभी ये जरूर कोशिश करेंगे कि आपके द्वारा दिए गए संदेश को आत्मसात करें। आइए अब आप सभी को आभासी संप्रेषण के अगले पड़ाव पर रोकें, उससे पहले कुछ बातें दिवस की करते हैं। विद्यालय परिवार का संगीत विभाग अपने हिस्से का योगदान देकर प्रस्तुत हो रहा है। कृपया लाइक का बटन दबाकर कमेंट बॉक्स में अपनी प्रशंसा लिख सकते हैं। गीतकार सकील बटाई ने, गायक हेमंत कुमार, भारतीय फिल्म गंगा जमुना। बच्चे परिवार, समाज, देश और धरती का भविष्य होते हैं। इनका संरक्षण और संवर्धन हर कोई करना चाहता है। इसी संदेश के साथ इंसाफ की डगर पर खुद चलते हुए उन्हें चलने के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत गीत लेकर के प्रस्तुत विद्यालय का संगीत परिवार, आपका हार्दिक अभिनंदन। दिल से निकलेगी न मरकर वतन की उल्फत, दिल से निकलेगी न मरकर वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से भी खुशबू बेवफा आएगी। लहू वतन के शहीदों का रंग आया है, उछल रहा है जमाने में नामे आजादी। गायन और वादन के साथ इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, यह देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम्हें हो करके। गीत के साथ संगीत विभाग। भारत माता की। तो दिखाओ चल, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम्ही हो करके। दुनिया के रंग सहना और मुंह से कहना, दुनिया के रंग सहना और कुछ न मुंह से कहना, सच्चाइयों के बल पे आगे को बढ़ते रहना, सच्चाइयों के बल पे आगे को बढ़ते रहना। रखोगे एक दिन तुम संसार को बदल के, अपने हो या पराए, सबके लिए हो जाए, अपने हो या पराए, सबके लिए हो जाए। देखो कदम तुम्हारा हर किस नडक बगाए, देखो कदम तुम्हारा हर किस नडक बगाए। रास्ते बड़े कठिन है सबका सफर संभल के, रास्ते बड़े कठिन है सबका सफर संभल के। इंसाफ की डगर बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम्ही हो करके। इंसानियत के सर पे इज्जत का ताज रखना, इंसानियत के सर पे इज्जत का ताज रखना, तन मन की भेंट देकर भारत की लाज रखना, तन मन की भेंट देकर भारत की लाज रखना। जीवन नया मिलेगा।
Ahana, sit properly.
Ma'am, there is
Ahana, sit properly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, students. Sorry, I log out because of some network issue.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, please. I'm going to present. Am I audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
वाह, बहुत ही अनोखा संदेश। बच्चों, आप लीडर्स का सिंबल हो, आप हल्की नेता हैं। वर्तमान आपको जो मिल रहा है उसमें इस इंसान का जो मार्ग है बहुत कठिन है। आपको चलना होगा और छोटी छोटी चीजों पे भी आपको ध्यान देना होगा। बहुत सारी अपेक्षाएं हम सभी आपसे करते हैं। आइए अगले पड़ाव पर चलने से पहले मैं कुछ आग्रह करूंगा, उन शहीदों को याद करते हुए आगे बढ़ूंगा। जय जय की ध्वनि से गुंजित, जय जय की ध्वनि से गुंजित नभमंडल भी था डोल उठा, नव जीवन पाकर भूतल का कण कण भी था बोल उठा। सदा से सत सत प्रणाम उन देश प्रेम दीवानों को, अमर शहीद हुए जो कर न्यौछावर अपने प्राणों को। कितने ही नवयुवक स्वत्व सम्रांगण में खुलकर खेले, अत्याचारी उस डायक ने
Ma'am, you are again stuck.
Good morning, Jyoti ma'am.
Good morning, Jyoti ma'am.
Good morning, Jyoti ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jyoti ma'am.
Good morning. So did you enjoy?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jyoti ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Now concentrate. See, Renu ma'am is showing something, right? Yes.
निश्चित करके प्राणों की परवाह नहीं।
So did you all enjoy the performance?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can show me thumbs up. You can show me thumbs up. Wow, that's really nice. That's nice. Yes.
Ma'am,
please,
everyone performed very nicely.
Yeah. Okay.
Speech,
That's very nice.
song, dance, dress up, everything was excellent.
Great. So there has been a mix of everything in your class. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. You can
Great,
see
great.
Janya, stand up and show your dress up.
My God, Janya, you're looking so pretty.
Meer Virani.
I can see
Meer
Meer
Virani.
has face.
Yes. Meer Virani and Arnav Desai also there. Arnav Desai. Yes,
I
he
can't
has
see
joined.
Arnav Desai. Okay. he's
Arnav
here.
Desai,
Yes, ma'am.
please show your background and show. You have changed the background, no?
You are on mute, beta. Arnav, you are saying something.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can't-
2 minutes I come.
Okay. Okay.
Kavisha, you have joined now. Kavisha, because you were coming and going, so I will give you time. Again, she left. Nice dance, good. Everyone enjoyed, ma'am, lot.
Yeah, that's nice. So
Yes.
I'm sure all of you must have learned quite a lot of things. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Very nice, Arnav. Very nice. Who did this? Oh,
Hello, chalo.
Me and my mama.
Very nice, mom. Very nice. So, did you say thank you to Mama
Yes, ma'am.
for helping you out? Very nice. Good. And keep it up. Keep up the good work, all of you. And those has everybody performed? Renu ma'am, is there anyone who's not performed?
Ma'am, Kavisha has not performed, but I think she's facing network issue. She's coming and going.
Okay, okay. So I'm sure all of us we've learned, some really good performances we've seen. So next time the margin, this thing is going to be really high. The what do we call that? The expectations from you is very, very high. All right, and all of you can perform really well. Yes, yes, Renu ma'am, please carry on.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am, I go.
लाल कुर्बान हुए बलिदान देश बलिवेदी पर, तब भारत माँ ने पाया ये दिवस आज का अति सुंदर। 15 अगस्त का यह शुभ दिन कभी न भूला जाएगा, स्वर्ण अक्षर में अंकित होगा, उच्च अमर पद पाएगा। जैसा कि आप आभासी कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से विद्यालय के प्रेक्षागृह से जुड़े हुए और हम संक्षिप्त कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से आज के भावी संदेश को आप तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इस उम्मीद के साथ कि भारत के नव निर्माण में आप जहां कहीं भी हैं अपने हिस्से का योगदान करेंगे और अपने परिवार, माता पिता, समाज को गौरवान्वित करेंगे। जैसा कि अभी हाल ही में आपने देखा होगा कि टोक्यो ओलंपिक में हम भारतीयों के डंके की चोट पहले से ज्यादा जोर और उपलब्धिपूर्ण रहा है। चारों तरफ लड़कियों ने अपना गुरुत्वा दिखा दिया, जो समाज में कहा जाता था अबला है, लेकिन मैं और मेरा पूरा विद्यालय परिवार कहता है कि आज समय की धार देख लो, आज समय की धार देख लो, अबला सबला बन निकली, विकासशील समाज में देखो विकसित रूपा चल निकली। तमाम कदमों और कठिन श्रम के बाद ये जो उल्लास उन्हें प्राप्त हुआ है, उसका आज पूरा देश गुणगान कर रहा है। स्वर्ण पदक, रजत पदक और कांस्य पदकों के साथ हमारे प्रतिभागी आज भारत की शान और शौकत बने हुए। उनकी हौसला अफजाई के लिए गाया गया गीत और अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से उन तमाम लोगों का आज भारत शुक्रगुजार है जिन्होंने एक कुशल संगीतकार की भूमिका में रहे हैं। उनको समर्पित अगला कार्यक्रम आप सभी के सामने विद्यालय परिवार का नृत्य विभाग प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। उनका संदेश है, एक पत्थर की भी तकलीफ समझ सकती है, शर्त यह है कि सलीके से तराशा जाए उसको। आइए उनके नृत्य के माध्यम से जो वे मैसेज देना चाहते हैं उसे समझने का प्रयास करें। धर्मेश सर एंड सहयोगी साथी, जैसा कि आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है।
जयतु जयतु भारतम्, जयतु जयतु विश्व प्रेम की ओढ़ चदरिया, विश्व प्रेम की ओढ़ चदरिया सच्चे सुर में गाता है।
एक सुरीली आशा लेकर सूरज नए उगाता है।
विश्व प्रेम चादर ढेके शुद्धे शूरे गानाए सिंधमिळ्वानिल पुदिय पुविडिय आर्यमाधवन तोडिडुदे।
विश्व प्रेमाची ओढून चादर खऱ्या सुरांनी गाता आहे।
एक सुरीली आशा लईने सूरज नवो उगाडे छे। जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये। जय तो भारत, जय तो भारत, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् भारतम्, जय तो भारत। श्वास मेरी प्राण मेरा तू ही मेरा मन,
बस तू ही है प्रेम मेरा पहला और प्रथम।
कर्मधात्री जन्मधात्री कई
मानवणुधारकोऽसि अंकितमौता।
सुर अनेक स्वर अनेक एक है धड़कन,
शब्द सारे भाव सारे हैं तुझे अर्पण।
सर्व तेरे
कोई तड़कन
भक्त मोर श्रद्धा मोर तू मते अर्पण। प्रेम का मृदंग रंग एकता का तू,
युगों से एक छंद साधना का तू।
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಣ್ಣ ಸೇರಿ ಮಿಡಿವ ಪ್ರೇಮ ನಾದನಿ, ಯುಗ ಯುಗಗಳ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಶಿಖರ ನಾದನಿ। तेरी शान तू महान ज्योति तू किरण,
पवन पवन गगन गगन करे तुझे नमन।
अभिमान माधवी गड़ा बिळतु नी,
निवार भूमि विंध्य मुल्य कुंभिडुन्निदा।
जागर हमार भारत है एक, जागी उठो भारत सजो। हरि जागृत आम भारत, गारी इंडिया बाजार बिको। जय तो भारत, जय तो भारत,
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्
भारतम्। जय तो भारत, जय तो भारतम्, जय तो भारतम्,
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्
भारतम्। जय तो भारतम्।
वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्।
I can see Navya has joined just now. Yes, Navya?
No, ma'am,
Navya?
network issues was there.
Navya, so
I
are you prepared,
rejoined.
bacha? Are you prepared?
Yes.
So can you say yes? Can I stop the
Ma'am, I
presentation?
called line, so I am learning.
So now you can perform. Navya? Yes, can you please start?
Yes, ma'am.
Navya, there is a network issue.
I'm learning. I forgot slides. I will
Okay.
do up.
When you will do, bacha? Today is only the day.
Ma'am, I will do 5 minutes later.
When? So today was only the day, Navya. Are you ready?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes or no?
I am ready. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Good morning to all of my teachers and my dear friends. At first, we wish you happy Independence Day. On we celebrate this day, we achieved freedom from British rule. We we should we should remember our leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and others. Let's all pledge to do our best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Navya. Thank you, students, for today's class. You all have performed very well. Everyone clap for yourself. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Now
Bye,
classes,
ma'am.
now
Nice to
classes
meet
will start
you.
from